in 4 days and 2 hours, 31 minutes. Are you going to be in?
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So I've been getting hit up by my community to give my thoughts on XEN Crypto. What is XEN Crypto? What's it all about? Is XEN Crypto the next 10,000x like Hex? That's a great question. Okay, so XEN Crypto is basically a crypto that is purported to be launching on 3 or 4 chains, ETH, BSC, Matic, and Pulse Chain. Pulse Chain obviously is to be determined. Now, what's it all about? Basically, XEN is a crypto. It's going to start out, it's going to be decentralized, have 0 coins, 0 Genesis wallets, and it's basically 0 value and is free. You're like, what? Okay, so the concept is basically you're going to go to XEN Crypto, you're going to claim a position in the queue to claim your tokens, basically by signing a contract, and then you get some coins. And depending on how long you want to wait, up to 100 days for the first 5,000, and then the system automatically scales after that. You basically get bonus tokens when you go to mint. How do you get in? We always have to be straight to the point in my videos. So basically there is a countdown timer. When this timer expires, you do a Control F5, you refresh, and then you claim. It's launching on ETH first, okay? Now, some important parts. Each chain will be separate and it will have its own value. Now, in my opinion, Ethereum probably has the opportunity to be the highest value. I could be wrong just because of the intrinsic value of ETH to begin with. But keep in mind, that's going to give you gas fees. Now, will I be participating on BSC as well? Probably, because there's really not much gas. So once this ends, you go here and you're going to pop in the time that you're willing to wait. Like I said, it starts at 100 days, and it could go up. It could go up to 200 or 300. I guess you said it was going to max out at 300. And then basically you get your tokens and you can stake them like Hex. So questions. Number 1. If you're going to do more than 1 wallet, I would pre-fund and stage your wallets now while gas is low. I would expect when this launches, there's going to be gas wars, bots, and everything in between. Who knows? The funny thing about this, I really hope he has CAPTCHA on this. But obviously, if they're botting the contract, they could mint 10,000 wallets and grab all the coins. So, I mean, who knows what's going to happen with that. So I'm not really sure if there's bot detection or bot prevention or some kind of gateway where signing the contract so it can't be botted, because that's probably the number 1 question people are going to ask is what just keeps someone from botting this with 100 wallets or whatever. So that's kind of difficult to say. The guy behind this, Jack Levin, I guess, has done a lot in the space. And again, the important things are here is the value of this starts at 0. It's only costing gas. So really, theoretically, it can only go up. Just as far as liquidity and stuff goes, who knows how long that will take to come to fruition. They have a white paper, and I guess the other idea behind this is that if the tokens are free, except for the gas, that it will make the adoption viral. Now, this kind of reminds me of, I'm not sure if it was RSI or something like that, that was like free, and then you got a referral and you had to refer people. This kind of reminds me of RSI a little bit, but anyways, like I said, If you want to participate, it's free. You're not buying anything. You're simply signing a contract. But I would expect gas wars. And there's all kinds of other information. And there's some AMAs and stuff with Jack Levin. It's all out there on YouTube. Like I said, I felt it would be a disservice not to mention this, because this is something, free that everybody could participate in if you want. And it is kind of unique in the way that they're doing it. But again, I'm just wondering what they're going to do with the whole bot side of this. But I'll leave some links down below to the Telegram, white paper, etc., and the countdown timer. As always, looks like it's going to launch in 4 days and 2 hours, 31 minutes. Are you going to be in? Like, subscribe. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.